If you have multiple Govee lights and want them to work together, you can link them using the app's grouping and scene features. So you just need to download and open the Govee Home app. Make sure all lights are powered on and connected to Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. They must be added to your account before syncing. And then to add each light, you tap on a plus, which is the add device. Select your light model and follow pairing instructions. Repeat until all lights appear in your device list. And in the app, you go to Home, Groups, Create a Group, select the lights you want to sync, name the group and save, and now you can control brightness, color, and power for all lights at once. And you can also open the group and choose scenes or music mode. This makes all lights change colors or react to sound together. That's it, and how you connect multiple Govee lights so they work together with synchronized colors, effects, and controls. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.